What's up, Pizza Punks? It's Missy, and Alec is back there somewhere. And today we are at Kalahari Resorts and whatever it's called, something like that, in Sandusky, Ohio. We've gone here a lot. We go to ColossalCon here all the time, but it's just a ginormous indoor water park. We're gonna be there today and tomorrow, just swimming, chilling, going to the arcade, having some fun. And I brought my GoPro, so I thought we could go chill in the water park together. Let's go get changed and go to the water park. Hey guys, we just got back from the water park. We were down there for quite a while. So now we're gonna order some pizza from Pizza Pub, which is a really, really good pizza place. It's in Kalahari. It's like the best freaking pizza. So that's what we're gonna order. And we're gonna eat it all of it. That's how hungry we are. An entire pizza. Our pizza has arrived. Hey again guys, so we just basically hung out at the water park for a tiny bit today. We just wanted to relax mainly, and our hotel room is so nice. We just wanted to spend a lot of time in it today. But right now we're actually gonna go head downstairs to the ice cream parlor, get some really awesome ice cream. They have like the best ice cream there. And then we're gonna go to the arcade and play some games. We have like 400 tokens, I think, something like that, so we should be able to play lots and lots of games. But yeah, so let's go. Guys, so we just got back from the arcade. Alec got top score on the like muscle man challenge, so congrats to Alec. Are you my muscle man? Yay! And we played the zombie thing. It was called a 7D theater. It was kind of like the rides at Universal Studios where it feels and looks like you're actually riding whatever you're in, but you got to shoot things, and it was fun. And while we were actually waiting in line to go do that, I met one of you guys. Her name was Scout. She was so cute. I have a photo with her. I put it on my Snapchat and my Twitter. So if you guys seen that, that's what that was. I was meeting one of you. And it honestly made me feel so fantastic. And she was so excited and I almost cried. But now we're back in our hotel. We're gonna go to Walmart. We're gonna go out in the negative 30-degree weather to go to Walmart because we forgot to bring soda and snacks. And we need soda and snacks really bad. So we just got back from going to Walmart, and it's cold outside. My legs felt like they were falling off. It was bad. It was awful. But we got snacks. That's important. Here's all our snacks. I think I'm gonna go take a really nice hot bath, and then I'm gonna eat a bunch of snacks. I'm a little bit in trouble.
What did you do?
I put too many bubbles in.
I see that.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you really liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to join our eternal pizza party. Also hit the bell button so you'll get notified each and every week. Also comment down below if you've ever been to Kalahari. There's quite a few of them. There's not just a Sandusky one. Or what your favorite indoor water park ride is. That was that, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to go check out the hotel tour. That's coming out right after this video. But okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a super duper fantastic day. Mwah.